Hello and welcome to this course page. This course is going to take you from a beginner's level developer to an advanced developer, teaching you how to build advanced applications using this awesome framework. This course teaches you the latest version of Laravel, and every single step of the way we are going to build projects, training you how to build your own software development products. First, we are going to start with a to-dos project where I'm going to teach you how to connect with your database, how to display data, how to manage controllers, how to register routes. And you can see that the basic application has the create, read, edit, and delete functionality. We can update to-dos, mark to-dos as complete, delete them, create them, all of this awesome functionality. This is going to give you a great foundation on how the Laravel framework works. Then we are going to build a complete CMS with Laravel. As you can see, we have a list of blog posts, we have different categories for this blog post, we have different tags for this blog post. You can go ahead and see the details of a single blog post. You can see the details outline. I'll teach you how to integrate add this for blog post sharing. I'll teach you how to integrate discuss for blog post commenting. You can see tags are associated with blog posts, and I'll also teach you how to set up a complete authentication system so that your users can be able to control who has access to writing blog posts and who does not. Then the administration panel, or the CMS, has the functionality for managing users. You can make a user an administrator, you can manage tags, you can delete tags, you can see confirmations right there. You can see error messages if the tag is already associated with some post. You have the form for adding a new tag. You have the form for adding post. We have image upload. We also have date management. We also have tags functionality to be able to attach tags to posts. We have category selection. We have a form for you to be able to provide content using a WYSIWYG editor. I'll teach you how to integrate all of this. We also have categories. To delete a category, you have a confirmation modal. You can go ahead and delete a category. You have flash messages. You have trash posts. For example, if I want to delete a post, I can trash it, and in my dustbin or my trash can, I can see the list of posts. I can restore that post right there. Just a whole bunch of functionality to teach you how to build your own scalable and maintainable Laravel applications. And in this course, I focus so much on teaching you how to write enterprise-based code so that your applications are gonna scale. Then I'm not gonna leave you there. I'm gonna take you to more advanced stuff in the Laravel framework. We are going to build a complete discussion forum. In this discussion forum, we have channels for the discussions. A user has to sign in to be able to create discussions. And once the user signs in, the user can see the list of unread notifications, which means I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications in your Laravel application. You can see the user has to verify their email address before being able to post into the discussion forum. So the user can request a verification link, and you can see that the verification link was sent there in less than a second. And the job was queued, and Laravel automatically processes this job in the background. These are really advanced topics, but I'm going to teach you every step of the way. We have automatic email sending. You can see a verified email was sent to this user. The user can verify their account, and now they can post a discussion to the forum. They can select a channel for that discussion. I'm also going to teach you how to set up in case you want to filter channels by a specific discussion. You can also leave replies for the discussions. You can mark a discussion as best reply. You can query discussions by a specific channel. You can view your notifications from the forum when you add a reply to a forum or when your reply is marked as best reply. A lot of different functionality with a lot of advanced topics that I'm going to cover. The focus of this course is to be able to build you so that you can build your own advanced applications with ease. And that's exactly what I'm going to make you at the end of this course. Thank you so much for checking out this course page, and I can't wait to see you in the course.